We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Natalee Bowen for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
Hi, I'm interior designer Natalee Bowen, and today we're going to be talking about bathrooms. So when designing a bathroom, it's really important to get storage right. Storage is a key element, but also within the storage, how to actually have things look absolutely beautiful. So usually when people are trying to design those things, we have to bring in a custom-made cabinet maker, but they're really expensive and they can be really time-consuming, so the longevity can actually hold up a whole build. So this way we can actually show you something that's going to bring those two things together. Coming from WA, I'm absolutely blown away with how many beautiful pieces that I've found at Schots Emporium in Melbourne. I mean, I would literally just fly over here to have a look at all of them because they're just going to fit so beautifully in all sorts of bathrooms. I'm standing here looking at the classic OHA range, and you can see that this has got the most beautiful Italian marble on here. And the price of this alone, I couldn't get custom made for the same price. Another thing that people can choose when they come here is all of their basins, whether they want to have an undermount basin, whether they want to have the beautiful tap, and you can actually see it in situ of what it's like. So these cabinets are just absolutely gorgeous and I love them, and they work so incredibly well in a Hampton style home. But the other areas and the other sorts of style of houses that you can use them in, even if you've got a modern home and you've got a powder room, you can actually place one of these vanities in there as a real statement piece. So when selecting your vanities, make sure that they're going to be beautiful furniture pieces. Make sure that you match your beauty with the storage, and you can come and touch and feel and make sure that your selections are going to work perfectly for your space.